In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Water Spread Area in Krita. Create a new canvas, then select the brush tool by pressing B. Open the brush presets docker, search for WaterC Water Spread Area, and select the brush. Choose your foreground color, then adjust the brush size using the bracket shortcut keys or the size slider. Start painting with light pressure to create soft watercolor spreads. Increase the pressure to add more color and stronger spread effects. Apply multiple strokes to gradually build up the watercolor effect and create smoother transitions. Use the color picker by holding Ctrl to sample nearby colors and continue painting for better color blending. Adjust the brush opacity or flow if you want a softer and lighter watercolor appearance. WaterC Water Spread Area is perfect when you want to create natural watercolor spreading effects with smooth color movement. It is great for adding soft textures, blended areas, and flowing watercolor details to your artwork. This brush is useful for watercolor illustrations, backgrounds, landscapes, skies, clouds, abstract painting, and creating smooth painted areas with natural watercolor effects. And that's how to use WaterC Water Spread Area in Krita. Thank you for watching the video.